It's the 29th, and Lucy and Coco are eating grits. Okay. He really likes grits. Today's the first time he's had them, but he's enjoying them. And Lucy's enjoying them too. She's licking them off of Coco's beak. Uh-oh, he's going to get her now. Give him some more grits, Mama. Now check this out. Would you like some grits? Uh-oh. Here comes Lucy. Lucy said, yeah, I want some of those grits. They're sharing the grits. Wait, first let him get some and then you can lick it off him. Okay, Lucy.
Come on. There you go. You're welcome.
He said, thank you. Lucy said, where's my grits? Can I have some grits? Oh, yeah, yum. Grits. Grits. Lick them off your beak. Grits.
Oopsie.
I was the other direction and it was some good footage. But then, of course, they changed. And Inky is waiting patiently.
I got you.
I think he's camera shy. He turns his back to me every time. He's going to eat some grits, and then Lucy is going to lick him off his beak. See, watch. Here it goes.
Lucy, back up.
And that's it for the bean footage. Oh, Lucy said, give me some grits. Give me some grits. Inky, eat some grits. Inky doesn't lick it off his beak, though.
You want some more?
This is what you call the animal house. Mrs. Doolittle feeds the parrot. Loves those grits. Inky probably likes some. You have to lick it off his beak. I can't talk this morning. She waits patiently.
Nice. Lucy.
Oh, a little too forceful, Lucy. Good gosh. Okay. Okay, bye-bye.
For the grit.